Today, I'll show you how to create an amazing fantasy sky using just Capcut. Ideally, the sky should be clear with a few clouds. Open Capcut and create a new project. Import your video clip. Click on Overlay and import an image of Mars, which you can find on Google, Unsplash or Pixabay. Resize Mars to fit your video clip and position it in the sky. Next, stretch the Mars image throughout the entire video duration. Now, duplicate your video clip. Click on Overlay again and place it below the original clip at the start. Select the duplicated video clip, click on Mask and choose Split. Adjust the mask so it frames Mars without covering it. Next, import an image of the Moon. Click on Blend and choose a suitable filter. Resize and rotate the Moon image, positioning it appropriately in the sky. Stretch the Moon image to cover the entire video length. And there you have it. Your fantasy sky effect is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.